Now I don't know why, but I seem to be in the right place for crazy road accidents. I caught this flip over and then...
Holy! Oh my God!
This rollover.
What? No.
Next, you'll see something quite unbelievable. Keep an eye on this white SUV and hang on for the ride. I'll just let it play out.
What is wrong with you? Hey Google, call 911.
Emergency, you need police, ambulance, or fire.
Police, please.
So what address?
I'm just going southbound on Warden. Just south
Warden
of
and what intersection?
just past Huntingwood, heading towards Shepherd. There's this.
Huntingwood. And you said you're southbound on Warden?
Southbound, heading towards Shepherd right now.
Okay, so you're closer to Shepherd?
Yeah, just about to get
Okay.
there.
And what's going on?
There's a white Ford Explorer who's driving erratically. He just went off the road, hit some trees and signs, and he kept on going. And yeah.
Okay, do you think he's impaired?
When I went by, he passed me. He kind of cut me off. So I don't know what's going on with him.
Okay, did you get his license plate number?
Yeah, it's his front tire.
Charlie.
I think so. I'm just pulled up beside him right now, asking him to stop. He's awake. No, I'm not going.
Keep yourself safe. So are you at Shepherd and Warden now?
Yeah, still southbound. I'm asking him to stop. I'm not getting out of the car. Just.
Okay, don't engage with the
I will
driver
not.
for your own safety.
I will
What
not.
does the driver look like? Is it male or female?
Right.
What's he wearing for a shirt?
I'm not sure. I think it's a black hoodie or something like that. He's still moving, so.
Okay.
And
sorry, so he hit some trees. Did he hit any vehicles?
No, not yet, but he swerved into the oncoming lane, and he's turning into the plaza.
Okay, what plaza? What's in that plaza?
It's Remezzo's.
Sorry, is it on the east side or the west side?
It's the southwest side of Shepherd and Warden. Yeah, he's got a front. Now he's pulled in to Remezzo's, the Italian bistro. Something is really wrong with this guy.
Told you it was crazy. Jumps the curb, knocks out the front driver's side tire and mirror, knocked down a signpost, and killed a little tree. Narrowly missing the bigger trees, thankfully. Then almost went head-on into a couple cars. They had to swerve out of the way. The police said it was likely a medical emergency. In the end, the driver was okay, and no one else was hurt. Well, thanks for watching. Be careful out there, and drive safe.